Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there.
Is only 10:37 in the morning, 81 degrees, and I believe that's only gonna get worse throughout the day. It's ridiculously hot. And I was gonna film a makeup tutorial today, but that's not happening, not in this heat. I'm just gonna wait on that one. But I thought I'd replace that video with a conversation video. Well, I guess you could say it kind of came to me yesterday. I was sitting doing what I usually do, you know, researching topics for video ideas and things of that sort. And what happens with me a lot of the times is that especially with my YouTube, what I do is that I over nurture it. I'm just gonna put it like that. I planted my seeds here on YouTube. I've been on YouTube for about 6 years now. I've been on YouTube for quite some time. The reason why I'm talking about this too, or what I'm saying I'm planting my seeds, is that I've noticed that I overly nurture my channel. So for example, I'll upload a video. I'll come back like 5 minutes, take a look at it, just to see where it's at. 2 views. I'll wait about 10 minutes and I'll go check it. Same number. And this is throughout the day. And I came to this realization where I'm like, I have to step back and I have to let what I have been planting grow. What happens when you overly overwater a plant, right? When you're growing a plant and you overly moisturize, it's not Skyn, overly water it, too much sun exposure, too much fertilizer, anything, when you overdo it, the plant can end up dying. So I started to think of that the way that I see my YouTube channel. And this is across the board for everything in life. This is not just about YouTube. So this is not just about one thing. This can be about school. It can be about work. It can be about anything in life, a relationship. When you're overly nurturing something, you can overly do it and it can die. Me too. The next thing of just letting it go and letting it grow, right? It's gonna grow regardless. Like, that plant's gonna grow. You plant the seed, and I'm not saying that you're not supposed to do anything with that seed. Of course, you're supposed to water it the right amount of light that it needs, okay? And that can just translate that into day-to-day life. You know, you are working your ass off at your regular job. You want that promotion. You're planting that seed. You're not overly doing it, but you're doing the work, right? You're not overly watching it, but you're doing the work, right? And it will grow. You will come out there a month later and be like, dang, like my flower just sprouted up. You're going to come out a month later and your boss is going to be like, hey, I'm going to give you a promotion because you've been doing really well, right? This is one of the things that I have decided to change in my life. And life is all about growth. Hint, hint. It's all about evolving as a person. And so this is one of my points at 30 years old. This is one of my weak links that I noticed. And not only is this going to be better for my overall growth, but it's going to be better for me mentally, because you drive yourself crazy mentally when you are so obsessed or so concerned about something that you can actually put a stop to your own growth. You can be the one who is the blockage when it comes to your own growth. Just quickly, I just wanted to share this with you guys, and my message to you guys out there, anyone who is on that same frequency, or is, you know, just in that same headspace, is that don't overdo it. Don't overthink it. Put in the work. I'm not saying just go, oh, it'll grow, or like a lot of people say, God got me, but they don't do anything. Like, your lights are about to be cut off tomorrow and you're just sitting on your butt like, oh, God got me, like I don't have to work, I don't have to make money. No, what I'm saying is this: you have to put in the work, of course, but you don't have to overly nurture. You don't have to stand around and watch it. You know, you don't watch a flower grow. The flower just grows. You do what you need to do to make sure that it has what it needs, but in the end, it grows. So When it comes to jobs, relationships, career, money, don't over nurture. You planted your seed, give it what it needs, and step back and let it grow. So with that being said, you guys, that's not just a message for myself, but that is a message out there to anybody who needs it. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. This is your girl Euniycemari. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys in a later video.